on it, you also take some part. Okay, starting with theories of state, let's try to go over just a brief evolution. So, understand, we did Western political thought and we have been talking about only West right now. That is why I deliberately kept Indian political thought away from you guys. ठीक है ताकि confuse ना हो, there is no intermixing between the two. And in the West, we have seen how the state evolved. Initially, in the Greek times, ancient Greece time, there were only city states. Then you can see that it was a state of decentralization. Decentralized था सब कुछ. Then it started getting consolidated due to the needs of the times, and we saw Europe turning to a big, giant Roman Empire. That moving forward with Treaty of Westphalia giving rise to nation states, which was a territorial concept. And then we saw that after the World War II, the notion of sovereignty will change also, and sovereignty will lie with people. We will call it what? Responsibility to protect, which itself will get turned into something else, and it is evolving even now. What we see is the rise of supranationals, supranations. What is supra? Uh, let's say loose federation. Loose federation. India is a federation or not? India is also a federation. But understand, India is a India is a holding together federation. Is it? No. United States is holding together federation, or India is. What is the only difference between USA and India? I think I have done this in polity or not. I think I have. In United States of America, there are two citizenship and two constitutions for each state, and then the federal. Federal को ऐसे समझो central. Okay, so there is one federal. Federal is like you can say mutti, and then each finger is different state. But in India, the states are made for our ease only, so that your local notions, local aspirations can be given accommodated properly, so that your administrative ease happens. And because India is a very large country, it is not like some Nepal or Bhutan के एक दो डिस्ट्रिक्ट बना दिया और हो गया. ठीक है, you need to make it very sharply define it. State के अंदर district divisions etc taluks mandals, right? Then what do we have to do? Think of theories as just your revision. As I said, now it will become boring for you also. Features of modern state. What is the modern state? ये सारे ट्रीटी ऑफ वेस्टफेलिया के बाद वाले, दीज आर मॉडर्न स्टेट्स, इनको भूल जाओ. ठीक है. ईयू क्या है? यूरोपियन यूनियन. यूरोपियन यूनियन इज अ काइंड ऑफ योर सुपर नेशन. अंडरस्टैंड, ईयू है जैसे तुम्हारे रीजनल यूनिट्स, दे आर ट्राइंग टू डेवलप एंड integrate with the global economy. So you understand what is happening. More the landmass you have, more is the network, and more things can move. More things will move, more people will buy. More people will buy, more the state will tax. Indirect taxes, state will get income. ठीक है, तभी तो it wants the consumption to grow faster and faster. Now understand, defined territory is one of the feature. Now it was earlier also. In what kind? Earlier, what kind of earlier also? Nation state treaty of Westphalia was a territorial concept. ठीक है, territorial concept. If Roman Empire भी ले लो, defined territory. Territory तो always I know that there must be some territory के चलो उस पहाड़ तक मेरा है, उस नदी तक मेरा है, right? Then there is a set of population. These people calling themselves Germans or let's say French. ठीक है. Then there is a government. Earlier, what was there? King or queen. Now you call it His Majesty's government. And the most important aspect, sovereignty. So अगर बोला जाए कि what is the defining feature of the modern states, What is the defining feature? What was it in city state or Roman Empire that is let's say uncommon between this and others? What is that? So you will say sovereignty. कि भैया there is no clash of two swords, one of church and one of state. No, nothing like that. Okay, there is only one authority and one superior authority, and only that is commanding authority. What is that? State, sovereign. ठीक है. So what is the feature of sovereignty? If you can say, you can say कि भैया obviously sovereignty will be a territorial concept, because where will you, every dog has a territory, remember? So if dog also is able to say कि भैया this pole to this pole is my area, I am the dog, I am the hero dog of this area. If dog is also all about territory, then so are men and human. ठीक है. Centralization, power will be centralized at one place. Autonomy, understand, भूटान के राजा को इंडिया कैन नॉट से कि भैया डू दिस और डू दैट. श्योर देयर मस्ट बी सम कंपल्जन, economic compulsion, military compulsion, some kind of compulsion will be there. But it is not like कि मोदी ऊपर बैठा है चेयर पे एंड भूटान का नीचे बैठा है जमीन पे. नो नो नो, सेम. ठीक है. फ्लैग्स ऑल्सो एट सेम लेवल, सेम हाइट. ओके, if that is clear, before starting with state, let's do one thing, get through with sovereignty. These are, see, sovereignty, state, and power, in fact democracy भी, ये चार तो एटलीस्ट आर वेरी इंटरलिंक्ड. ठीक है. इतना देर इज नो मच डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टू. प्लूरलिस्ट है, एक बार समझ लोगे हर बार आ जाएगा. यहाँ भी आएगा प्लूरलिस्ट, यहाँ भी आएगा. ठीक है. सो इट इज़ नॉट, just remember one thing in theories, just do one thing. This is the biggest tip that you are going to get. Focus on words. If you can decode the meaning of that word and you understand that word ka meaning completely, you are fine with theories. Okay, so let's try to understand sovereignty and views. So there are two prominent views in sovereignty: monastic and pluralist. Now, mono means one. So monastic, one view. It is also known as your Hobbesian view. What was the Hobbesian view? What did Hobbes say? What was the books of Hobbes? Leviathan. So state is a Leviathan monster. Do not take panga with the state, otherwise state will kuchali you. ठीक है. Or you can also call it Austinian theory of sovereignty. They are one and the same thing. Basically what they are trying to say, one authority, one state, absolute, one gunda in the Raj. ठीक है. No power over that. Simple. If that is fine, understand what is law then. Law is nothing but command of the sovereign. And what is the key feature of Hobbes? कि भैया there should also be power of punishment, because as we know, covenant without swords are just words, right? So if that is clear, criticism. Now obviously state is not the only source of law. How do we know this? Because we are Indian, we know custom and tradition भी कुछ होता है. Why is Sunday a holiday? Why is Sunday a holiday? Is there some law over it? No, bhaiya, no. Sunday is religious. God created the world, God created man, God created light, God created earth, and then on the seventh day, God took rest. Sabbath. ठीक है. Now, before moving further, opposite view है. As I said, nothing exists in singleness. Nobody is single. No term is single. If there is monistic, so obviously there will be a pluralistic. Pluralist क्या है? Multiple. Plural. Singular plural जैसे होता है. Now here, understand, power फिर किसके पास होगी? What was the criticism of monastic? कि भैया state is not the only source of law. ये तो कह रहा है कि law is only command of the sovereign. हु इज सॉवरेन? स्टेट इज सॉवरेन. तो हु इज क्रिएटिंग लॉ? स्टेट इज द ओनली सोर्स ऑफ लॉ. बात खत्म. प्लूरलिस्ट वाले कह रहे हैं कि भैया स्टेट थोड़ी है. नाउ देर आर टू टाइप ऑफ प्लूरलिस्ट. Moderates, Lasky. Now understand, Lasky is Nehru's teacher. What was Nehru? Was Nehru a moderate or extremist? Who were the extremists? Lal Bal Pal. Who were the moderates? Nehru's papa. Who was Nehru's papa? Motilal. ठीक है. So try to relate things. Lasky was a moderate, but understand, they here we are talking about those moderates and extremists in terms of Indian National Congress. Here we are talking about their idea कि कितना रेडिकल हो रहा है. सो लास्की कह रहा है कि भाई जो स्टेट इज जस्ट वन ऑफ द एसोसिएशन, राइट, बट इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ अंडरस्टैंड, देयर इज अ very sharp, let's say, contradiction between what Lasky is trying to say. पहले Lasky is saying that, see, state is just one of the many association. Family is a association. ठीक है. School is a association. ठीक है. Your let's say इन इवनिंग वॉकिंग के लिए जाते हैं बूढ़े लोग, हा 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 करते हैं, हंसते हैं, योगा करते हैं. दैट इज एसोसिएशन. लेबर यूनियन इज एन एसोसिएशन. सिमिलरली स्टेट इज एन एसोसिएशन. एंड नो एसोसिएशन शुड हैव अ टू मच पावर. तो लिमिट में रहो, इतना भी हीरो मत बनो. यू आर जस्ट वन ऑफ एसोसिएशन. लाइक लेट्स से यू आर ऑल स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ वन स्टूडेंट लेट्स से स्टार्ट बिकमिंग वेरी स्मार्ट विद मी. तो व्हाट विल आई से कि भैया लिसन, यू आर जस्ट वन ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स. Do not think you have too much power over me. Okay, as simple as that. But at the same time, what will I say? Okay, but bhaiya, this student is the top student, and this student is my favorite student. Then what is happening is that I am just contradicting myself. I cannot say na कि भैया you are the important most of the all. You have the key role. You have the primacy. You are first among all the moons. First among equals. When I'm saying that, then what is happening is that my first statement is not matching with my left hand side, not matching with right hand side. As simple as that. Now why I am saying कि भाई this association of state is very very important and it is the primary association because of its role. And what is that role? कि भैया it comes in conflict resolution. Let's say कि capitalist की लड़ाई हो गई है worker से. Now who will intervene? Police will intervene. Case file करेगी, charge sheet. Then state will say कि भाई you are at fault or you are at fault. If they are at fault क्या बोलेगी फिर? Corporate social responsibility. यही तो होता है. इनके लिए खुलवा देगी एक एसिक एम्प्लॉय, जो भी होता है. ठीक है. फंड है, दो होते हैं, ईपीएफ, ठीक है, एम्प्लॉय प्रोविडेंट फंड, देन देयर इज पीपीएफ. नाउ इन एम्प्लॉय प्रोविडेंट फंड व्हाट हैपेंस इज, दिस इज इंडियाज, ठीक है, लिंक कराने के लिए ऐसे ही बता रहा हूँ. ईपीएफ के अंदर इफ यू हैव more than equal to 20 workers, then what you have to do is कि some amount, let's say 10%, 12%, the employer will contribute and थोड़ा उसके में सैलरी में से काट लेगा. And that fund will be with government. इंटरेस्ट होगा 8.6 8.75% करीब. पीपीएफ इज ऑल्सो लाइक दैट, बट पीपीएफ में यू कैन वॉलेंटरी ऑल्सो पुट मनी. ठीक है. नाउ देयर इज एनपीएस ऑल्सो, यू कैन चेक दैट ऑल्सो, नेशनल पेंशन स्कीम. ठीक है. Do one thing, whenever you are doing schemes or something, do not do all the schemes एक साथ. Do one scheme someday, two schemes someday. Try to do 2 3 schemes which are related to each other एक साथ. Otherwise you will be in trouble. Now understand extremist. So extreme वो इसलिए extreme है क्योंकि कहते हैं कि भाई state primacy है ही नहीं. No primacy to state they are giving. दे आर सेइंग इट इज जस्ट वन ऑफ मैनी एसोसिएशंस। ये भी कह रहा था लास्की, पर लास्की ने प्राइमेसी दे दी थी। ये है फर्क। बोल दोनों यही रहे हैं, एक्सट्रीमिस्ट और मॉडरेट्स, की there are lot of associations and state is just one of the many associations. But where Lasky is giving primacy to state, here in extremist we are not giving any primacy to the state. ठीक है? With that said, understand, state in this context, state, let's say India or Bharat, do you think what is the birth, 1947 or 1950? Understand this thing. India is India just only on paper. ठीक है? India as a nation, let's say कि you do this thing, you try to understand, you have to establish a company, let's say. So you can either establish private limited, ठीक है, or you can establish public limited. होता है ना ये? Now public limited means that more than 50 people are having, let's say, ownership in the company. ठीक है? I have stocks, you have stocks, lot of people have stocks, so it is a public limited company. Private limited is if less than 50 people only have the let's say shareholding in the company. Then there are other types also. What are other types? Let's say कि भाई अलाना फलाना, क्या बोलो, ये ले लो, LLP, limited liable partnership, etc. There are a lot of types of other establishment. You can establish corporations, or let's say government undertaking you can create. अब ऐसा समझो, understand what is Google. Google is not a real thing. It is just on paper. It is Google. Now, if something happens to Google, who will be in trouble? Every person who works at Google? No, the company, the paper. That's it. Similarly, try to think of state as a company जिसको तुम establish करते हो. How will you establish state? It is not a real thing. So you will have to create document for it. And on this document you will write Republic of India, your Union of India, whatever. The da 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 da. Paper तैयार. On paper, state is there now. ठीक है? So understand, state is child of law plus state is also guardian of law. कितनी कमाल की बात है? State is a child of law. At the same time, state is guardian of the law. Police state, remember? Police state. ऐसे ही बनाना चाह रहे थे ना liberals. See, try to relate, correlate. Now, general will of people. Who can enforce? What is general will? If you remember Rousseau, will of the people is general will. Who can enforce? State can enforce. And how will it appear? It will appear as if कि भाई, let's say state is जबरदस्ती करवा रहा है. Let's say CAB. ठीक है? अरे भाई, try to understand. People of India have chosen these random people. ठीक है? XYZ. ठीक है? और इसको भी ले लो, अमित शाह. ठीक है? अमित शाह. Now try to understand, how did they reach there in the parliament with such majority? People of India voted them. Now they have passed this bill. So technically, who have passed this bill? People of India has passed this bill. Now these duffers only are protesting. Bhaiya, decide, you are supporting these guys or not, because apparently this is the general will, and now state will try to enforce it. ठीक है? Now how will it appear? It will appear as if भैया Amit Shah is पागल. ठीक है? But understand, it is not Amit Shah's will, it is your will. It was on the manifesto. You could have known that. So खैर, इंडिया की बात अलग है. इंडिया इज अ स्टूपिड कंट्री. ठीक है? पीपल आर स्टूपिड. Not their fault. Lack of education. ठीक है, लैक ऑफ एजुकेशन प्लस भैया फेथ एंड रिलीजन, दिस इज अ ड्रास्टिक रेसिपी, ड्रास्टिक रेसिपी, रेसिपी टू बैकवर्डनेस, एज सिंपल एज दैट। ठीक है, जो जितना बड़ा भक्त है वो उतना बड़ा, क्या ही बोल सकते हैं, इज अ फकिंग राहुल गांधी ना। काफी पॉलिटिकल बोल दिया। नाउ ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस CAB bill, when you will be enforcing it will appear as if कि भाई अमित शाह is doing it, but let's try to imagine another thing. What if the CAB bill is not at all the general will of people, and now this one person only is doing what he thinks is the best, because he will think कि भाई people should know ना कि this general, this is this people should think that this is the general will of people. So there is always a tendency to misuse, ठीक है, there is always a tendency to misuse what, general will. Now if that is clear, there is always a fight between whom, sovereignty and let's say, I don't know I've written it or not, but let's think, there will always be a clash between sovereignty and your international law. You think about this thing. See, sovereignty कह रहा है कि this is let's say India, तो this is sovereign, ठीक है, इसके अंदर सिर्फ इंडिया की चलेगी, नथिंग एल्स, नथिंग एल्स, बट एट द सेम टाइम इंटरनेशनल लॉ है एंड इट विल इंक्रीज एंड राइज, सो इट मीन्स दैट भैया यू आर अंडर some law. Now if that law is binding, so you will have to do it, and if you do not comply with that law, what will happen is you can be sanctioned, nobody will trade with you, ठीक है. So it is like you have to understand what sovereign are you, what is your sovereignty then. सॉवरेन होता है जो, सॉवरेन होता है सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला ऑफ बिग बॉस और सलमान खान, दे आर सॉवरेन. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. डू यू रियली थिंक दैट if you are friends with United States of America you can ever be sovereign? No, as simple as that. No, USA के फ्रेंड नहीं है, USA के होती है डिपेंडेंसीज. डिपेंडेंसीज, व्हाट इज डिपेंडेंसी? भैया कॉलोनी तो बोलेंगे नहीं किसी को, वी कांट से कॉलोनी कॉलोनी कि भैया यू आर माई कॉलोनी पाकिस्तान, यू आर माई कॉलोनी रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. नो, डिपेंडेंसी, दैट इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन मी. व्हाट डज दैट मीन कि भैया आई ओन हिम, ठीक है. इफ पाकिस्तान इज माई डिपेंडिंग ऑन मी, इट मीन्स आई ओन पाकिस्तान. मैं बोलूँगा ये बोल तो वो बोलेगा, आई विल से कि ये कर, ये करेगा, सिंपल, ठीक है. नाउ पाकिस्तान ऑल्सो ट्राइज टू डू बैलेंस थिंग, मेकिंग फ्रेंड्स विद चाइना. Pakistan also try to balance it out. So everybody tries to do that or only. We'll understand in Indian foreign policy. कुछ है नहीं Indian foreign policy. कुछ है नहीं actually foreign policy. No country has foreign policy. Foreign policy is just balancing United States of America. ये है बस, ठीक है, कि कैसे भैया उसको गलत ना कुछ लग जाए और कैसे पंगे भी ना हो. Now, having this broad idea of the monistic and the pluralist theory of sovereignty, try to understand both in terms of your judiciary. कुछ है नहीं ऐसा, but still monistic theory is काफ़ी legal sense of theory, legalistic sense. What do you mean by legalistic sense? That basically law state will create. Now understand, in court when you go, understand cultural law या what is the job of your let's say judiciary, your judges. They interpret the constitution. Interpret what? Specific book, one book in Constitution of India. That's it. इतना काम है उनका. They do not interpret भैया Holy Quran. They do not do that. They do not interpret Ramayana or Ramcharitmanas. They do not do that. So for the purposes of, let's say, legal cases or any legal grievance redressal mechanism, understand, when we talk of law, we talk of monistic version of law only. That is procedure established by law. We are talking about the steps followed. Who created those steps followed? Who mentioned that? Who said कि भैया ये rules है इसको follow करना है? State will tell. This makes perfect sense. This is makes perfect sense for your lawyers and judges, whole of your legal paradigm. But at the same time, when we talk of pluralist theory, understand, due process of law. That is reason. Reason. Now understand, bhai, कि not all people are like you. ठीक है, सबका evolution is not same. ठीक है, not everybody is at same level of awareness. ठीक है, or let's say same level of cultural notions. ठीक है, अब in some cultures you are marrying your, क्या बोलो, first cousins. ठीक है, that happens, but for us it is now funny, but for them it is like normal thing. ठीक है, so similarly in our also culture, lot of weird things are there. ठीक है, यहाँ पे people are were not touching people. Now how barbaric would that sound to somebody from west? So every culture has that, but what is important is that we have to understand that there is something to create law and then there is something to implement law. These are both different things, and there should be a little bit of understanding. Okay, you create some law that is actually practicable or implementable. ठीक है, अब सीए भी तुम लिया है, कैसे करोगे? आग लगानी है पूरे उसमें तो कर लो, एनआरसी भी लगा देना फिर. इम्प्लीमेंटेबल प्रैक्टिकल सिचुएशन में. ठीक है, नाउ when we talk of, let's say कि in India only, let's say we are using, or let's say India is trading with some, let's say this is Japan, and they have some issue. Now what do they do? Where do they go? So they will go to which institution? They will go to, let's say कि World Trade Organization. They will apply in the DSB. What is the full form? Google it. ठीक है, they will appeal there and then they will come together, sit together, they will have talks and they will say कि भाई okay, you are not putting good IPR mechanism, you are not putting good IPR mechanism. They will keep on talking on it. So what we are talking about here is international institutions, buildings. Understand, the need for them will only arise when you have, first thing, reason. Right, you have not just one task, you have two tasks. एक तो कि भैया वर्ल्ड वॉर फिर से ना हो, दूसरा तुम्हें ये भी है इकोनॉमी फिर से वर्ल्ड की कोलैप्स ना हो. It is very much important to you that economy does not collapse again, because it did happen in the Great Depressions in 1930s. So these two tasks you have to maintain and understand. From monistic theory of sovereignty, it is not possible. ठीक है, so the narrative, or let's say the global narrative, you will need some story. You will need some story to unite everybody. So what will be your story, your global narration, or let's say your global discourse? Your global discourse would be now that bhaiya, you are the liberator of the world and you are just marching all over the world, creating islands of democracies. ठीक है, civilizing mission है तुम्हारा. This is now your discourse. You will say that bhai, we will protect and establish human rights. And for them, we will make sure we have enough institutional mechanism in place to check that human rights are established. Now, that is also a very good way to, let's say, wage war upon somebody or threaten somebody. See what we did to Libya, see what we did to Saddam Hussein in the name of protecting human rights. So, what is our global discourse? Creating international peace. ठीक है. So, when I'm creating international peace, I am at that same time destructing the sovereignty of a state. If United States of America is invading, let's say tomorrow in Iran, then effectively the sovereignty of Iran has been eroded, and nowhere it is happening for past 100 years कि भाई one nation alone going inside and beating somebody except this बाहुबली रशिया. ठीक है, ये यूक्रेन में घुस के क्रीमिया ले लिया इसने, बट ठीक है, यूक्रेन क्या कर सकता है. So you mean to say कि भाई if USA will move into Iran, it will go in with the sanction of Britain, France, etc, etc, etc. ठीक है, many NATO members. So do you see formation of blocks here? ठीक है, so international peace is also a discourse. If you wanted peace, भैया, do not wage war. But anyhow, I will talk about it. See, when I talk about pluralists are not giving primacy to the state. इनके लिए state is not even at all important. Now, if you think about it, Karl Marx, what is the difference between Karl Marx? Karl Marx was an anarchist. What is the difference between anarchist and pluralist? So understand, anarchists do not want state. Pluralist कहते हैं कि भाई state है, होगा, they इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता, मतलब उन्हें, they are not very worried about it. They are saying ठीक है, eh. Their reply is always eh. See, meanwhile anarchists, they do not want state. Understand, Marx was an anarchist, so was a Gandhi. ठीक है, गांधी भी तो यही चाहते थे, पंचायत रहे, खादी इंडस्ट्री, ठीक है, विलेज इंडस्ट्री, विलेज इकोनॉमी, right? And Marx wanted no classes, and from socialism eventually communism, and in communism there will be no state. So with that clear, let's try to think of this negative points over the evolution. So in pluralist we saw one thing, that they are very much unlike anarchist. Anarchists, they do not want state, but pluralists at the same time they say कि हाँ भाई state है, and they are not giving primacy also. ऐसा भी नहीं कि कह रहे हैं कुछ important काम करता है state, no. So can you say कि pluralists are inconsistent? Because at one time you are saying कि भैया I am against it, I am not giving primacy to it, but at the same time I am not eliminating. Now that makes no sense technically, because understand, the nature of state is such, the role of state is as such कि without state many other institutions, see, let's say your church is there, church may be self sufficient, चर्च का खुद का ही रेवेन्यू है, खुद का ही इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, खुद का एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव बॉडी, खुद का ही पुलिस, पुलिस की तो जरूरत नहीं है, भगवान से डरा देते हैं. इट इज़ अ सेल्फ सफिशिएंट इंस्टीट्यूशन. बट लेट्स से व्हाट अबाउट फार्मिंग? और व्हाट अबाउट योर बिजनेसेस? बिजनेसेस इज ऑल अबाउट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स, कि भाई you told me to create 10 pair of trousers. I have created these 10 pair of trousers. Now take them and give me my money. You are saying I am not taking them. What do? I will want to get a third party, third independent party. Who will that be? Not iska chacha, uska fufa. They are all biased. I will get state. Obviously state ko paise khilao. But on paper, if you think about it, the state is the ideal person. Judiciary, judge, consumer redressal forum, consumer court, everything. State is that, they are just state, representative of state. So the role is as such कि automatically if there is a state, automatically it gets primacy. So ऐसा नहीं कि तुम्हारे बोलने से कुछ हो रहा है, automatically it is getting primacy. Hence it is not consistent. Now with that said, क्या हो रहा है? वेट. ठीक है. तो इतनी इरिटेटिंग चीज है यार ये.